Hello guys, thank you for joining me today. Welcome to a new video. So recently I was thinking about my pixel art skills. What the Yeah, as you can probably tell by now, I'm not a pixel artist, but the biggest problem is that I'm making a pixel video game. That is why I think it is important to improve this skill. So I'm going to give myself 5 days to create better pixel sprites. Actually, it is 4 days, but the 5th day is also important because I'm gonna do something special on Friday. Let's get right into it. I start off the day with a cup of coffee. First, I wanna do some research on pixel art. I have already found 2 short PDF files, a free Udemy course, and the rest is going to come from YouTube tutorials. To make the sprites for my game, I have already set up Photoshop like this. Create a new 32x32 document. Here we go to View, Show, and Grid to see each pixel more easily. But first we have to change the size of the grid. Let's go to Edit, Preferences, Guides, Grids and Slices. Here make sure to set this to pixels and set it to 1 and 1. Now if you select the brush tool, set its size to 1, you can easily draw pixels. I have spent the rest of the day creating a house for a future project. As you can see, I created some sprites as well, and I think my skills have already improved. This is the second time I tried to use different shadows and lights. It is day 2. One thing I always wanted to do since I started game development is a pixel parallax background. I have tried several things: shadows, lights, backgrounds and foregrounds, and this is the result. It is probably not the best, but I'm so proud of it. I am going to the gym now because, it is healthy, and after that I will spend some more hours practicing. I am home now and I wanna mention something quickly. I have discovered and personally don't like the bucket tool when I use pixel graphics. Because if the line is 1 pixel thick and I wanna use the bucket tool, this happens. If you have any ideas how to fix this, please let me know in a comment. It is Wednesday and today is supposed to be the day when I create a box with a parachute for my game. Wait, what game are you talking about, you might ask? So I'm currently working on an awesome, cool, pixel split-screen multiplayer game. The players are on an island and they have to defend it from other soldiers and creatures. After reading some documents and watching some tutorials, by the way, I will link a few tutorials in the description. I started by creating the box and then the parachute. I quickly dropped it into Unity and animated it with a short script. The box is supposed to fall down every 5 minutes and drop different supplements which the players can pick up and use. But that's it for today. I'm pretty exhausted, so see you tomorrow. I was reading some interesting facts this morning and I found one that says if you subscribe to this channel you will have 10 years of good luck. I don't know, but it sounds pretty great, so please smash that subscribe button. Today I haven't done too much, but I tried to remake some sprites and practice more. I have also started to think about a new Android game. Stay tuned for that. This day is special because today I will update the player sprite. I am going to make a few changes and animate the player. Here you can see the player animated and I think he looks awesome. I kinda like how his legs are moving. Tell me if you like him in the comment section down below. I think I have learned some cool things during these 5 days and the pixel theme is pretty easy to start with if you want to be a game designer or I don't know. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I would be grateful if you hit the subscribe button. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.